machines are taking over. Or are they? AI and automation have changed the game. Faster production, lower costs, unmatched precision. But here's the truth. Machines can't replicate human craftsmanship. Creativity, attention to detail, and the ability to make something truly unique, that's still human. It's not AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. The most successful shops, they blend cutting-edge tech with skilled hands. So what do you think? Will AI ever replace real craftsmanship? Comment below and follow WoodJobs for more insights on the future of manufacturing.